Ans Babu had come on the stage firstly, and I seen. After some time, I will when I listen to especially the words of the Ans, and he explained our constitution creator Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. As you know, today is the death anniversary of the Bhimrao Ambedkar. He was a great scientist. He was a great social reformer. He was a great politician, and he is a man credit goes to the creation of our Indian Constitution. Okay, and each and everyone knows about at that time that was a very difficult. The discrimination and accessibility is a main topic for that time, and especially the females they had no right for the taking education, and they have no right for go outside area. So this is a main problem of that type of our society, and the main difference between lower caste and high caste, and also it had increased day by day because there is no powerful system of the education at that time. The Bhimrao Ambedkar he faced many problems, and when he entered one school for the studies, so he saw many type situations. So that's and after and he belongs rich family, prosperous family, and family was able to send for further studies for the foreign. So Columbia University and England University, he passed out, and he had many degrees at that time. Okay, so he was that time a superman of the creator of the constitution. Okay, so and this is a side of these words and main sentence I will deliver here for the Ans Babu. And when he speaks from here, I notice he has no fear. And when he was speaking here, so he is free from the fear and fully confident he have, and they deliver the speech from here, and once and two times he stuck some remember for the sentences, but he managed all the sentences. Okay, so that's a very good, and I wishes all of the students, each and everyone progress like this. I think in this year he is the first time deliver here the speech, and current situation of the Delhi, especially the pollution. So he delivered the good speech without any hesitation, and I glad to listen the speech of